I am Diva Tiwari, student of MSc Environmental Science in BHU. Today I am here to discuss an introduction class of environmental science and difference between environment, ecosystem and ecology. So here we go now. So let's start. And the first word is environment. Environment means nature and it derived from French word envirer. Envirer means encircle or surround. We can define it as the surrounding in which life coexists on earth. It means we can say that anything that surrounds us is known as environment, and the term given by Jacob van Eureker. There are two types of environment. First one is in natural environment. Natural environment we can define as naturally occurred environment is known as natural environment, and the second one is man-made environment. Man-made environment is also known as artificial environment, and we can define it as the environment created by human beings. And the next word is ecosystem, and the ecosystem derived from Greek word oikos. Oikos means home or house, and it defined as abiotic and abiotic component interact with their physical environment as well as they influence human beings is known as ecosystem, and the term coined by A.G. Tinsley in 1935. Biotic components are like plant, fungi, human beings, etc. And abiotic means humidity, temperature, weather, rainfall, etc. are abiotic components which are interact with each other and make a ecosystem. Discrete components come together and make a system. Discrete components like biotic and abiotic. Biotic means living organism. Living means जो जीव जंतु जिंदा है, and abiotic means non-living. And ecosystem is also classified into two. First one is natural and second is artificial. Natural is also classified into two, terrestrial and aquatic. Terrestrial then classified forest, grassland and desert. Then aquatic classified into two, marine and freshwater. Also classified into two, lotic and lentic. Then we also discuss in later classes. And the next word is ecology. Ecology is derived from eco and logy. लॉजी वर्ड रूट वर्ड है जो किसी भी वर्ड में आ जाता है तो इसका मतलब होता है टू स्टडी, एंड वी कैन डिफाइन एज इकोलॉजी एज द कलेक्टिव स्टडी ऑफ इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन अबायोटिक एंड बायोटिक components and their physical environment. And the term coined by Ernst Haeckel, the father of ecology, is von Humboldt. When we talk about historical development of ecology, Theophrastus is the first man who wrote about relations between organism and environment, and he is also known as the father of botany. Then John Grant, Buffon, Alexander, Thomas Robert, Charles Darwin, Ernst Haeckel, Alfred Lotka, and Odom brothers. These are the historical persons who wrote and think about ecology, environment and ecosystem. If we talk about organizational level of ecology system, we start from individual, population, community, ecosystem, landscape, biome, biosphere. We further study about these all topics. Here are some brief discussion about ecosystem, environment and ecology. If you have any doubt you can comment. Thanks for watching, and for such kind of updates and information you can subscribe my channel.